Hello, I'm Design Guy. Want to see how to make the most of ChatGPT 4.0's expanded canvas? First, log into your Canva account. Next, click the Create button, then select Presentation from the available options. We'll begin designing your presentation from here. Select the presentation you want to use. Next, choose a topic. To do that, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type the subject or topic you want to research. Open ChatGPT. Once it's loaded, you can type your questions directly into the chat box. For example, you might ask a general question or request specific information. ChatGPT will then generate a helpful response for you. To maintain good health, focus on a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables. Drink enough water daily and get regular exercise, such as walking or cycling. Prioritize sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours each night. Manage stress with relaxation techniques and schedule routine checkups with your doctor to support overall wellness and early detection. Now that you have your topic selected and your project ready, it's time to set up your initial slides. Open your presentation software and click on New Slide to create a title slide. Enter your topic as the main title, then add your name and the date below. This establishes the foundation for your presentation and lets your audience know what to expect as you continue. To create your slide, start by copying the title you want to use. Select the text, right-click, and choose Copy. Next, go to your slide editing software, such as PowerPoint or Google Slides. Click on the title box and paste the text. After adding the title, you can begin adding other elements. Start with text boxes for your main content, arranging them as needed to organize the information clearly and effectively. Click the Share button to open the sharing menu. Next, select the people you want to share your project with by entering their email addresses. Adjust their access level by choosing Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Once finished, click Send to share the project. Your collaborators will receive an email invitation and can start working together with you right away. That's how you share your project. Select the popular font, Canva Sans, from the font menu to update the text style. Once you've applied the font, move to the background settings. Choose a background color that complements your design by clicking the color option. Adjust and preview the color to ensure it matches your desired look. These changes enhance readability and set a professional tone for your project. In this step, we'll apply an effects layer to our design. Locate the effects section in the right panel and click to expand it. Now we'll add a new page by clicking the Add Page button at the bottom of the sidebar. Once your new page is created, return to the original page and select the text element you want to copy. With the text selected, right-click and choose Copy or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Navigate back to your new page, right-click anywhere on the canvas and choose Paste, or press Ctrl+V to insert the copied text. Next, select the pasted text on your new page and update the font size to 30. You can do this by highlighting the text and entering 30 in the font size field. To create another page, simply duplicate your existing page. Start by selecting the page you want to copy. Look for the Duplicate or Copy option, usually found in the right-click menu or the toolbar. Click Duplicate to create a copy of your page. You can continue this process for as many pages as you need. Pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, for example. Duplicating pages is useful for maintaining a consistent layout or design across multiple sections of your project. Repeat these steps until you have all the pages you want duplicated. To manually switch control in Euro 2, start by selecting the control panel. Use the arrow keys or navigation buttons to highlight the control you want to adjust. Press V to enter manual switch mode. Now, you'll need to copy the desired control values. For example, if you want to assign the values 4, 5, 6, and 7, highlight each control in sequence and press the copy button after selecting each value. Continue through all needed controls, copying the values as required. After copying, review the controls to confirm settings have been applied correctly. If further adjustment is needed, repeat the process, highlight, copy, and verify. Completing these steps ensures your manual switch has transferred controls properly. Next, enter the number 8. After that, you can start adding images or other visual elements to your project. Choose the image option from the menu. Upload your desired file and position it where you want on the canvas to complete this step. First, turn off the current layer to keep your workspace organized. Next, add the new image by clicking the Import Image button and selecting the file you want to use. Once the image is added, copy it by right-clicking on the image and choosing Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Then, navigate to the area where you want to place the image, right-click and select Paste, or simply use Ctrl+V. With your image now positioned, you're ready to generate the result. Select the image by clicking on it, then look for the Generate button in the side panel. Click Generate to start the process. The software will analyze your selected input and create the new output based on your image. After generation is complete, use ChatGPT alongside Canva to quickly generate new ideas for your project. First, enter a prompt into ChatGPT to receive inspiration or a list of creative concepts. Next, take your favorite suggestions and bring them into Canva, where you can design visuals, presentations, or social media posts based on those ideas. This workflow streamlines brainstorming and design, making it much easier to produce engaging content efficiently using both tools together. To complete your project, start by selecting the image you want to use. After you've chosen your image, apply any edits or enhancements as needed using Canva's available tools. You can add text, elements, or adjust the design to fit your purpose. If you're using content generated from ChatGPT, simply copy the text or design and integrate it directly into your Canva layout by pasting it onto your canvas. Once you're satisfied with your design, navigate to the upper right corner of the Canva interface and click the Share button. A menu will appear with several options for sharing and saving your project. To download your design, click on the download option. You'll be prompted to choose your preferred file type. For video projects, select MP4 video. Now you can use the full canvas in ChatGPT 4.0 for your projects. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more tips.